Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of blocked websites, painfully slow connections, or risking your privacy on public Wi-Fi? Don't worry, we've got a solution tailor-made for Pakistan. Today, we're introducing PrimeX VPN, a fast and secure VPN proxy that gives you unlimited bandwidth, total privacy, and smooth streaming and gaming. PrimeX VPN is your one-tap gateway to internet freedom. It lets you bypass geo-blocks, stream in HD, game with low latency, and stay safe online, even on public Wi-Fi. Why choose PrimeX VPN? Fast and free. No hidden fees, no limitations. Unblock apps and websites, anywhere, anytime. Military-grade encryption. Your data stays yours. Smooth HD streaming and lag-free gaming. No sign-up needed. Just tap and connect. Unlimited bandwidth. Use as much as you want. Setting up PrimeX VPN is quick and easy. Here's how. Open your Google Play Store, type PrimeX VPN in the search bar, and tap on the app. Tap the Install button to download and install it. Once installed, open the app. On the home screen, look at the bottom menu bar and tap the Server button. You'll now see a list of free servers. Pick the one closest to your region for the best speed, then tap to connect. In just a few seconds, your connection will be secure and active. Want to check how fast your new VPN connection is? Tap the speed test logo at the top of the screen. On the new page, hit Start Testing and you'll see a live report of your internet speed and ping. If you want to safely browse websites, just tap the top log button in the app's home screen. This opens a secure browser where you can freely access any website without restrictions or tracking. PrimeX VPN is the easiest way to stay safe, access any content, and enjoy fast internet in Pakistan without limits. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just surfing, it's got your back. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and enjoy the web with PrimeX VPN.